I finally built a portable lighting kit that's completely changed how fast I work on set. I'm using the FC120C, Wand, and Pico lights from Nanlite. There's one feature in this system that makes it insanely easy to use, and I'll show you exactly what that is once we get through the setup. Let's start with FC120C. It comes in a compact EPP carry case, includes the light, an RF45 reflector, a Bones adapter, and a long cable with DMX adapter. That means you can use larger soft boxes you may already own or upgrade later without changing your mounting system. Build quality feels solid, very much in line with Nanlite's design language, and it delivers up to 12,850 lux of output. I'll get into functionality in a moment along with the other lights. I have paired it with the Rapid60 Softbox, which I genuinely love because of how fast it opens and closes. It's easily one of the most convenient softboxes I've used. You get two diffusion layers, one standard and one thicker for softer light, plus a grid for directional control. The FC120C itself weighs just about 1.13 kilos and offers excellent power flexibility. You can run it on AC power, V-mount batteries, or even USB-C power bank. Just keep in mind, if your power bank isn't strong enough, output will be limited to around 30 to 40%. Here's a reference chart so you can understand the power requirements. Control is where Nanlite really shines. The onboard menus are simple and intuitive, but you can also use a remote or Nanlite app. Inside the app, you get access to all lighting modes, including CCT, HSI, and RGBW, plus built-in effects where you can adjust things like frequency and hue range. That extra level of control really opens up creative possibility. Color accuracy across these lights is excellent too. Here's a quick spec sheet for reference. Next is the wand. This is a beautifully designed light with solid build quality. It works great for portable setups but also fits right into studio workflows. I especially like the LED beading pattern because it produces a very pleasing quality of light. It comes with barn doors and a soft diffusion attachment, so you can shape or soften the light depending on what you are shooting. You can power it using NPF batteries or USB-C power bank. The same limitation applies with weaker power banks, so refer to the chart here. You get the same strong color accuracy, customizable CCT and HSI modes, plus 14 special effects, all controllable through the app or the onboard menus. And finally, the Pico lights. These are small but surprisingly powerful for creating accent highlights. They come in magnetic base, magnetic diffusion, a stepped yoke for precise angling, and a cold shoe mount so you can attach them to accessories or even your camera. Battery life is around 1.3 hours. They also offer full CCT and HSI control, 14 built-in effects, and excellent color rendering. Everything is accessible through the onboard menu or the app. Now here's the real reason this system stands out for me. All these lights, the FC120C, the Wand, and even the tiny Pico lights can be controlled from a single app. I've used quite a few lighting systems before, but none have been this seamless. You can place every light anywhere in your setup and manage everything from one interface. Most brands don't offer this level of unified control, especially for smaller lights. Many compact lights from other systems can't be remotely controlled at all, which seriously limits the flexibility. And for me, that's what makes this setup special. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, save, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the setup or the lights, drop them in the comments.